LED indicator switch with Pigtail. For single actuator systems. 9.50 inches in length. 4.75 inches in width. Lenco manufactures a wide variety of automatic boat leveling systems, trim tabs, and electric hatch lifters. Lenco works hard every day and is proud to deliver exciting, dependable, environmentally friendly products that will make your time on the water as enjoyable as it should be. Their dedication to quality and attention to detail give every member of the Lenco team the confidence to say, "We make the best boats better." Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement. At first I thought it couldn't be that simple, but it was. Now I know what position the trim tabs are in if I forget auto retract once key is turned off. Cool.